Captain's Log.
Stardate 32168.7. No, is it that or is it 32167.8? Yeah. No. It's 32186.7. Or is it 321? Whatever. Anyway, I and my crew are now suspended from a 6-month scientific and research mission on planet Risa. And now we're en route to a border world in the neutral zone between the Federation and bloody Romulan Empire. Seems the bloody Romulans are trying to attack a primitive culture and conquer it. Our mission is to find a peaceful solution to the problem, or to blast the bloody Romulans out of the system. So maybe this won't be such a boring mission after all. In addition, we finally got our new security officer. Last, 4th in a row, died in a tragical incident with our handguns because I thought the phaser was set on stun. But anyway, he's a fat ass. He's a little bloodlusty and schizophrenic, but he fits my crew just excellent. Except of course for the thing that our food reserves are slowly running out. And there goes the last banana. And log.
Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the Starship Enterprise. Its continuing mission to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no one has gone before.
Record.
Captain, we need you on the bridge.
Oh, what the hell is it now? Can't you idiots do anything without my supervision?
We're entering the system, sir.
What system?
But the system that is under Romulan attack, sir.
Oh, well, why didn't you tell me that in the first place, you moron? I'm coming right away. Damn, I always get lost in those turbo lifts. Status report?
While we were coming, the Romulans have sent 4 legions on the planet's surface. They are conquering the planet.
On monitor. On screen. What the hell is this? Some kind of stupid joke? There's nothing out there. And who's snoring?
Our new security officer, fat ass. He took a nap between meals.
Lieutenant!
I didn't kill that man. I swear.
Oh, that's you, Captain. Can you tell me where the lantern?
Oh, shut up and give me a full tactical report.
Oh, let me see. According to the work trails, it seems that a bunch of Romulan ships just entered this system.
Oh, really? And would you mind explaining to me why there is no one outside?
Maybe because they're cloaked, sir.
Cloaked? When the hell did they get cloaking technology?
They invented it a long time ago.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right.
Sir?
Yes?
Do you mind if I raise our shields and activate our weapons? You see, with Romulans around, you never know.
Oh, yes, of course. Make it something or somewhat. What the hell, just make it!
Okay, sir.
Romulan work with the cloaking in front of us, sir.
May I follow them, sir? We should test our new Turbo Ultra Mega Lasers Class 19.
No, not yet. Ensign, open hailing frequencies.
Sir, yes, sir. Hailing frequency open, sir.
Thank you.
Don't mention it, sir.
Of course I won't. You idiot.
Heard that, sir.
Shut up! What now?
Okay.
Surrender your ship. You're outnumbered and you don't stand a chance. You have 5 minutes to decide.
Oh, really? Well, I don't see anyone else behind you, Commander. Maybe you should surrender. I see what he means.
What should we do, sir?
Let me think. I think we should surrender. Yes. We surrender.
But Captain, I have an option that could maybe save us.
Shoot.
Alright.
Not that, you idiot. Tell me your plan.
That. Well, let me tell you one story. While I was on Earth, I found an ancient 20th century technology. It's called an audio CD. It contains dangerous sonic waves that can hurt humans. And if you use them on Romulans...
Excellent idea. Then prepare the disc.
Yes, sir.
You open hailing frequencies and inform Romulan Commander that we have reached our decision.
Aye, sir.
It seems you decided to surrender. Any last words?
Lieutenant?
Yes, sir. Just a second, sir. Let me see. Metallica, bah. Iron Maiden, bah. NSYNC, bah. Here it is. Christina Aguilera. Now beware.
Now that when this is over, I'll go rest in my ready room.
Captain, you forgot something.
Oh, what now?
There are still 4 legions on the planet. What shall we do with them?
Wipe them out. All of them. Yes! Finally! Yes! 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 Yes!
Now, finally I can use Class 13 quantum torpedoes. Targeting. Firing. Yes! Yes!
Captain's log supplemental. We have destroyed all bloody Romulan ships, and now ship functions are back to normal. Hey, who's that pretty guy? You talking to me? Because I don't see anyone else here, so you must be talking to me. Damn, you look good! And you know what? Wow! I feel good! Thank you. Thank you very much.
Captain,
What now?
I have blown the Romies out
Good.
with an entire planet.
Are you doing thing? Stuff is gonna kick our butt.
Admiral Spitz on line 76.
What? Crap. Well, it's all over now, is it? Doesn't make any difference. Patch them through.
Hi, Captain.
Hi, Admiral.
Have you solved the problem?
Oh, yes, yes.
Aus with this, Captain.
We destroyed the Romulans, yes, with the entire planet.
Ah, good. Sehr good, I should say. You did the right thing, Captain. Now we don't want to wait our food and search for humanitarian hellfire. You did us a great service.
But Admiral... Okay.
I am Locutus of Borg. Resistance is futile.
Sounds cool. Doing on it for physics, I knew hyperspace. Trust me, it's good. I got some strong shit.
Your life,
Yeah.
as it has been, is over.
Yes. Yes, sir. I will contact you immediately. Bye, Dad.
Resistance is futile.
Hi, Captain.
Oh!
We are one.
Your life, as it has been, is over.